Welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to kindle eggs. And this concave surface is where the egg should be, but Sherbert always pushes them to the back. I don't know why, she's different. But there's the parents of Chick. The only thing that I'm worried about is that they might be brothers and sisters, and I'm scared for that. But this is how you kindle eggs. So there's ways to do this, but you gotta pick the safe way if you're new to this, because you don't want to harm the eggs or crack the eggs. So when I was little, I used to kindle eggs, and I used to be very nervous. And when you're nervous at doing this, the best thing to do is either take the egg and put it over your bed, or you can just kindle them in here. I prefer to kindle them in here. So if they do accidentally roll off the thing, it won't hurt the eggs. Like if they roll off my camera, it won't hurt them. So basically what you do is you get a flashlight from your phone, or you can use a regular flashlight. I prefer to use my phone since it's much better, and then I don't have to use batteries or have to go out and purchase a flashlight. So what I do is take the egg and put it over the camera, and as you can see, there is an embryo, and if I can focus it, you should be able to see the heartbeat. And that's if your eggs are 3 days old. So you can, yeah, I think you can see that. You can see the heart beating. And that's if your budgie eggs are 3 days old or more, that you will see this. If they're not, then they're not going to show up fertile, because the mom has to sit on them. So the first day that, the first 3 days that she starts to sit on them, you will notice that, let me find the one that is just starting to, right here. Okay, that one right there is just starting to show up fertile. And you can see it's a red, freak, I can't talk. There's a red ring in the yolk, and that's letting you know that it's fertile, and that in a few more days a heart is going to start beating. Now if you don't see this within 3 days and she's already started to incubate her eggs, then the chances are they're not fertile eggs. So it takes 3 days for this red ring to show up after 3 days of incubating. And I think it's this one that she just laid yesterday. Oh no, it might be this one because it looks clear. Nope. Okay, it's this one then. So this one she just laid, and this is probably what you're going to be looking at first. Like there's just a regular yolk with no red ring around. I don't know if it's showing up focused or not, because this camera is off my phone and I can't use my good camera because I can't edit on it. But there's no red ring around, and that's what infertile eggs look like. Infertile eggs looks like this with red in it. So that's basically it. I don't want to overcomplicate things. Oh, you can see it beating right there. You can see the heart beating. So budgie eggs take 18 days to hatch, and yeah.